Okay, welcome back. I hope that you have a good job in today. So in this training lesson, I will explain about how we tracking project. Firstly, we are going to study one example first. Here we have project leader PIC, and here is the engineering leader. So the project leader here, he have a simple part here. This part must be tested in 1000 hours. And after the test is passed, the product can be sold on market. So now, before come to the market, the pass requirement must be pass the test. Based on this activity, project leader starting order to engineering leader, and he required two information. One is test must be on time. Secondly, engineering leader must share follow-up plan. After receiving the order from project leader, engineering leader replied to project leader with two information. A. We will test on time. B. We will not delay. So after finish this email, the project leader and engineering stop communicates together. And here is the engineering leader testing plan follow up as project leader requirement. You can see that here is a schedule of testing plan. Firstly, in 1 hour, here is the date of starting test. And the 14th September is finish test. And 20 September is SOP is on mass production. This means after mass production here, we will sell it on the market. Days by day, the time is passed away. One day, on the 10th September, the project leader starting to ask testing information status. Then, on 10th September, the project leader found that engineering leader already delayed. Now the time already starting and must only 500 hours. It means from 10 September to 14 September cannot enough 500 hours for testing. So we have a delay here. And with this delay, we cannot recover to mass production. That is why this project will be NG, cannot achieve. So now if you have more chain, what would you do? Of course, in this case here, we need to follow the tracking methods. So now, there are easy step by step how we conduct tracking methods. Okay, come back to our plan here. Now we will modify this plan for easy tracking. Firstly, when you develop this project, you need to clarify all activity, and all the activity here must be clearly step by step of all job activity. For example, first column here is no. The second is activity. Then after is timing of testing. 1 August, 10 August, 20 August, and until 14 September, and finally is 20 September. So here is step 1. Declare the detailed step by step of all job. For more detail, here are the steps that maybe we need to clarify. Number 1, activity is starting test. Number 2 is duration of test. For example, start from 1 August and finish on 14 September. This means here 1000 hours. And the number 3 is mean we will finish that. And the finish that here, we will finish on 14 September. And the number 4, we will making report. And the number 5 here, the activity is we judgment this test okay. And the judgment here will be happen on 20 September. It means we will judgment that we can SOP mass production or not. So here is the step 1. We already declare step by step of all activity. And also we already finished step 2. You can see that with each activity here, you have detailed schedule here. Then the detailed schedule here is mean step 2. And the content of step 2 is we fix detailed schedule of each job. For example, time, main activity, key point. So after finish step 2, now we are going to step 3. It means we tracking daily or weekly. And you merge all this actual progress or actual picture job status. And then, if have any delay, please make recover plan. For example, before and test on 14 September here, you need to tracking on 1st August. That's the test already start. On 10 August, the test still on plan, and on 20 August also still on plan. So if you tracking weekly like this, you will make sure that your project cannot happen delay. For example, on the 20 August, when you checking here, you found that the test now not yet passed your requirement. For example, on 20 August here, your task is must be 600 hours, but on the 20 August here, you tracking and the test just start 500 hours. It means this problem can defect to the 14th September. It means your finished state here will be slide to new schedule. So now your question is how to recover. So on activity here is we call this step 3. It means you checking your status weekly, daily, and in some critical process, maybe you need tracking hourly. And finally, not only keep this schedule and tracking progress in your mind, you must visualization your schedule and visualization on your document. For example here, your schedule here maybe need to visualization on a project control board. And every day based on this visualization, not only you can watching status of project, also your thought can come and see and get your advice if they need. So it is the step 4. So now come back to the first example. The main key point here is that if the project leader not wait until 10 September, he start to tracking weekly here and here and here, he will recognize that the test already delayed. Then he can recover the test plan here something, and he will keep the mass production on plan. And not only the project leader, the engineering leader here also need to apply tracking methods, because directly when he tracking and he found that his member already delayed the test plan, he will reply the email to leader and information on time. So that is why in management project leader, we need the tracking methods. And for apply tracking methods, you will have 4 step by step as I already showed here. Then I hope that with this instruction here can easily for you to understand and starting to apply in your daily job or in your daily management project. Thank you so much.